Understanding, clear out, an English phrase explained. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English expression, clear out. This phrase can be a bit tricky for English learners, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use it like a native speaker. So, let's clear up any confusion and jump right in. The phrase, clear out, can be used in a few different ways, but it generally means to remove items from a space or to leave a place. It's a phrasal verb, which means it's made up of a verb, clear, and a preposition, out. Phrasal verbs in English can be tough because their meanings aren't always obvious from the words themselves. But once you learn them, they're very handy. When clear out is used to mean removing things from a space, it's usually talking about making a space tidy or empty. For example, I need to clear out my closet to make room for new clothes. The company is clearing out old inventory with a big sale. In both cases, the idea is to take things away from a place so it's not crowded or full anymore. On the other hand, clear out can also mean to leave a place, especially in a hurry or because you were told to. It's often used as a command. For instance, the party was over, and we were all asked to clear out. The fire alarm went off, and we had to clear out the building. In these examples, clear out is all about vacating the area quickly. Sometimes, clear out can have a more figurative meaning. For example, if someone says, I need to clear out my head, they mean they want to stop worrying or thinking about stressful things. It's also worth noting that clear out can be both transitive, where it takes an object, and intransitive, where it does not. For example, transitive, can you help me clear out these boxes? The boxes are the object being cleared out. Intransitive, it's late, it's time to clear out. No specific object is being cleared. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared the fog surrounding the phrase, clear out. Whether you're talking about tidying up a space or leaving a location, this phrase can be incredibly useful. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English speaking and listening skills. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep practicing, and well.